Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming with you with another system build price list. All the parts are from Amazon. You can click on the affiliated links below to go ahead on and purchase the part if you want to purchase them. This is on the Socket 1200 motherboard series using the i3 10000 cheap CPU, and you cannot go wrong with this. So let's go ahead and get into the price list. Alright everybody, this is on the Intel Core i3 10100 with 16 GB of dual DDR4 at 3000 MHz with a 500 GB NVMe M.2 drive. Okay, let's get into the parts. Just like I said, you can go ahead and click on the affiliate links listed below to go ahead on and purchase the parts if y'all love this this price list here. The CPU is the i3 10100 APU base 33.6 GHz. Base CPU cooler is Be Quiet Pure Rock 2. The motherboard is Asus Prime H510ME. The memory is Team Group T-Force Vulcan 16 GB dual kit. Storage is Team Group MP33 512 GB. The case is the Zelman S2. The power supply is the EVGA 80 plus white 500 watts. The case is Cool Moon Sunshine 120mm 5-pack. The total cost of this build here is $520.95. I have the PC part picker price list, so if y'all want to go ahead and put that website in there, you can see everything all in green, so you'll have no issues with booting up. But when you do boot up, please make sure that you go to Asus website and download the latest BIOS. So if you want to go ahead and change out the CPU later on down the line and add a discrete graphic card, then you'll be okay with gaming on this PC. Alrighty. Yeah, like I said, all parts are from Amazon. I'll be putting affiliate links in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on them and purchase them, and go ahead and build your first rig, first PC for the first time users. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. This is a great system build list video. Hit the like button on the way up if you like this video, and if you like the parts, like I said, you can purchase them from Amazon. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.